develops a bionic retina that is designed to restore sight, full sight, for blinded by degenerative diseases, enough to watch TV and identify faces. To introduce NanoRetina, please meet the Managing Director, Ranan Geffen.
Thank you, Nadine. NanoRetina mission is to restore sight for the blind. We are developing an artificial retina, a device, an ocular implant that will capture the images of the external world through the eye optic and convert it to neural stimulation that will perceive vision in the brain. We succeeded to miniaturize all those elements into a tiny implant, 3 by 4 millimeter. This implant can be introduced into the eye in a minimal invasive procedure. And lately, we have succeeded to test this device in animal tests and prove it. We aim for human clinical in 2 years. Thank you, and you are welcome to visit us in the private room later on.
Next on stage now, NGTVC, an early stage venture capital company focused on medical devices. For NGT, Tzachi Berger.
I would like to apologize on behalf of Nasri Said, the CEO of NGT, which has the Eid al-Adha today and could not come. So I'll present the NGT new fund, $60 million fund, with strong management team located in Nazareth. We are the holder of a governmental franchise to operate technological incubator during a period of 10 years. And we leverage in this fund $31 million non-dilutive governmental funding. We have track record of 10 years to create and nurture companies. It was under the former NGT. We focus on medical device technologies and Sun Green. We can utilize the vast untapped potential of researchers and scientists that are coming from the Arab sector, and we have almost an exclusive access to projects from the other Arab sector in Israel. We have very low burn rate. During the 10 years period, we earned only $5 million, and we have a winning platform of business and social models.
The other one has time left, so that's fine. Now, Vibrant. Vibrant develops a vibrating capsule to assist in the relief of constipated patients. For Vibrant, meet, excuse me, Lior Ben-Tzur.
12% of worldwide population suffers from constipation, mainly chronic constipation. What the gastroenterologist has to offer is many drugs. What we developed is a fully controlled vibrating capsule that mechanically operated, swallowed by the patient, gets into the large intestine, operates and gets out with the stool. Clinical trial we have conducted shows full safety and high efficacy compared to before and after using the capsule. On top of it, people report that they use much less laxatives before and after the capsule usage. We are a mechanical device with the therapeutic capabilities for the pharmaceutical industry. We enjoy the fact that regulation is medical device, but it's a pharmaceutical size of market. We are at the stage of raising funds to complete the CE mark within 2013, and we may change the way the industry works for constipation. Thank you very much.
Now, one of the Catalyst portfolio companies, quite familiar with this session, Dori Media. Dori is an entertainment group, active in the production, distribution, and broadcasting of telenovelas. to present orally, of course, Nadav Palki, the CEO.
Shalom, ladies and gentlemen. Dora Media is an international media house whose activities span production of almost 6,000 TV hours, international distribution to more than 120 territories, ownerships and operation of 20 TV channels, Israel's largest TV services company, and an ever-growing presence in the international alternative media arena. You could say it can be a description of any medium to large-size media company. However, Dora Media was the first Israeli-born company almost 7 years ago to identify the glass ceiling of Israel, smash it, and become a significant international player. We take pride not only in doing all this successfully, but also that in some measure we open the door to other Israeli companies who followed in our footsteps and are now enjoying successfully themselves. Thank you very much.
For the energy industry, let's meet Golan Fili, the founder and CEO of Pythagoras Solar. Pythagoras developed solar windows, built integrated photovoltaic and energy-efficient windows.
70% of the electricity in the world is consumed in buildings. And in spite of the situation of the construction business over the past 5 years, the number of the size of the green building market has been increasing. Pythagoras solar technology has been selected several times over the past 12 months as the most promising technology to address energy efficiency facades. Pythagoras has developed this window, which combines power generation, solar electricity cells that are integrated into a window, and you install a window in a transparent way. So this window not only generates electricity, but at the same time it reduces the energy consumption of the building, reducing air conditioning costs, reducing artificial lighting costs. And overall, with this combined benefit, provides very attractive economics with less than 5 years payback on using this technology to change the way buildings are being built. Pythagoras has completed several commercial projects in the US, expanding to Europe, adapted by the largest glass companies in the world that use it, and expecting $100 million sales within 3 years. Thank you very much.
Back to life science with IceCure Medical. IceCure is active in the business of minimally invasive techniques with a first focus on benign its tumors ablations for women's health. Please meet for IceCure Medical, the CEO, Chezi Imelfar.
Thank you. Imagine a situation where a woman detects a lump in her breasts. Then she goes to a diagnostic procedure and she finds out that she has a small breast cancer tumor. She thinks about surgery and other things, and her doctor tells her that there is a new treatment called cryoablation, alternative to surgery. It's done in the office without any pain, no breast deformity, no scar, no downtime, and then actually it's very easy. So this is where IceCure is and is going to. We already have a product sold in the US for benign breast tumors. We are in the breast cancer clinical studies. This is not the far future. This is our current implemented plan. If you are an investor, strategic player, or anybody who may be interested in our technology, I'll be happy to meet you afternoon in the Olive Room at 3:30. Thank you very much.
The second company, Maxiland provides innovative solutions that revolutionize the dental implant. For Maxiland, the CEO, Gideon Fosdick.
Many people have an exaggerated fear of going to the dentist. But for 1 million people a year, this is the reality. People who undergo the procedure called a sinus lift, which is required many times for a dental implant. People look like this, stay away from home, stay away from work for 1 or 2 weeks. Maxen provides a solution, the iRays, which completely eliminates this problem. We have reached clinical trials within a year from